Every day, millions of Americans swipe a credit card. A simple action, a quick purchase, a moment that feels completely normal. But behind every swipe, a hidden system begins to work. A system designed to make money, not for you, but for the banks. Today, Americans carry hundreds of billions of dollars in credit card debt. Many people believe credit cards are tools for financial freedom, but for millions, they have become a trap. And the most surprising part? Most people don't even realize they're caught in it. Walk through any shopping mall in America, browse any online store, open any shopping app. Everywhere you look, there is one message: buy now, pay later, upgrade today, enjoy it immediately. Modern consumer culture is built around convenience, and credit cards make spending feel almost effortless. When cash leaves your wallet, you feel the loss instantly. But when you swipe a card, your brain experiences spending differently. The pain of paying is delayed, and that changes everything.
It starts with the promise of exclusive
Most people
rewards.
think a credit card is simply
Bright
a
lights
payment
and
tool.
bonus points
In
map
reality,
the psychology
it is a
of
loan.
spending, until
Every
the dream
purchase made
dissolves
with a
into a
credit card
reality
is
of
borrowed
debt.
money. The bank pays the merchant, and you promise to pay the bank back later. If you pay your balance in full, there may be no interest. But if you carry a balance, the game changes, because that's where banks make their money. And that's where many consumers begin their journey into debt. Let's imagine someone named John. John wants a new laptop. The price is $2,000. He doesn't have enough cash today, but he does have a credit card, so he buys it. The purchase takes only seconds. John leaves happy. The laptop is his, but the debt has just begun. A few weeks later, his bill arrives. Instead of paying the full amount, John notices another option: minimum payment. The number looks small, affordable, easy, so he pays only the minimum. And that's exactly where the trap begins. Minimum payments create an illusion. They make debt feel manageable. But while the required payment stays small, interest continues to grow, month after month, year after year. Many consumers end up paying far more than the original purchase price. A $2,000 purchase can eventually cost much more, not because of the item itself, but because of the interest attached to it. The longer the balance remains unpaid, the more profitable it becomes for the lender, and the harder it becomes for the borrower to escape. Credit card companies understand human behavior extremely well. That's why they offer rewards, cash back, travel points, sign-up bonuses, exclusive perks. These rewards make spending feel smart, even when it isn't. People often spend more money simply because rewards exist. The brain focuses on earning points, not on how much money is actually leaving their pocket. The result is simple: higher spending, more debt, and greater profits for financial institutions. Banks do not make billions because people pay their balances perfectly every month. They make billions from interest, late fees, penalty charges, annual fees. The business model is simple. The longer debt remains unpaid, the more revenue it generates. From a business perspective, revolving debt is incredibly valuable. Every month that a balance stays active creates another opportunity for profit. And when millions of consumers carry balances simultaneously, the numbers become enormous. Debt doesn't just affect bank accounts, it affects lives. Financial stress is one of the most common sources of anxiety. People lose sleep over money. Families argue about bills. Opportunities disappear because income is tied up in debt payments. The cost is often larger than the number shown on a statement. Because financial pressure can influence almost every area of life. Credit cards are not evil, they are tools. Used responsibly, they can be useful. They can build credit history, provide convenience, offer
It
valuable
starts with the promise
protections.
of exclusive rewards.
The problem begins when
Bright
consumers
lights and bonus
misunderstand
points
how the
map the
system
psychology
works.
of spending,
Debt grows
until the
quietly.
dream dissolves into a
Interest
reality of
compounds
debt.
silently, and small balances can become major financial burdens over time. The next time you reach for your credit card, remember this: the swipe only takes a second, but the consequences can last much longer. Understanding how the system works is the first step toward controlling your money instead of letting your money control you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more videos about money, economics, and the hidden systems that shape our financial lives. Thanks for watching.